Experience alpine beauty and hidden gems on an unforgettable scenic train journey.
Dawn breaks over the Alps, painting the peaks in rose and gold. Jagged silhouettes sharpen as sunlight spills down snow-capped summits, illuminating forests and hidden meadows. The air is crisp and pure, the only sound a distant stream awakening. These mountains, nature's cathedrals, inspire awe and humility. Each minute the landscape shifts, new colours, new shadows, new wonders revealed. The Alps awaken, inviting us to discover their secrets beyond the famous resorts and well-trodden paths. But how do we truly connect with these mountains, to see their quieter corners and ancient traditions? The answer lies in the gentle rhythm of a train journey, gliding through valleys and over mountain passes. The Iron Road offers not just scenery, but a window into the heart of the Alps. Let's embark on this journey together. There's a unique magic to train travel, a romance that no other transport can match. The gentle sway and rhythmic clickety-clack become the soundtrack to adventure. Through panoramic windows, the landscape unfolds, turquoise lakes, dense forests, and fleeting glimpses of village life. Unlike cars or planes, the train lets you be present, absorbing every curve and incline. Encounters with fellow travelers add warmth and camaraderie, making the journey itself memorable. This is slow travel at its best, time to reflect, read, or simply gaze out the window. Anticipation builds with every bend and tunnel, making each arrival feel special. The train prepares you for discovery, turning transit into an experience. Our first stop is Lauterbrunnen, reached by a determined cogwheel railway. The valley of 72 waterfalls, with Staubuck Falls plunging in a misty cascade, is a vision of Swiss beauty. The air is alive with waterfalls, cowbells and birdsong. Meadows and chalets complete the postcard scene. Towering cliffs cradle the village, creating a sense of peace and awe. Life moves gently here, shaped by nature and tradition. Farmers and artisans keep old ways alive, while the Eiger, Monch and Jungfrau stand watch. Lauterbrunnen's unique geography inspires creativity and contemplation. It's easy to see why Tolkien found his Rivendell here. The blend of raw beauty and village charm makes Lauterbrunnen an unforgettable alpine symphony. Nature composes its masterpiece in every detail. Crossing into Bavaria, our train arrives in Mittenwald, nestled at the foot of the Karwendel Alps. The village enchants with its Luftelmalerei, vivid frescoes telling stories on every building. Walking the Obermarkt feels like strolling through an open-air art gallery. Mittenwald is famed for violin making, a tradition alive since the 17th century. The scent of wood and the sound of violins drift through the air, adding to the village's charm. Warmth and Gemütlichkeit define local life, with friendly faces and cozy cafes. The mountains beckon for exploration, framing this jewel of art, music, and history. By rail, Mittenwald feels landscape. Aosta's unique fusion makes it a highlight of any alpine rail adventure. To explore the Alps' hidden gems, the train is unrivaled. Unlike driving, there's no stress, just relaxation and panoramic views. Air travel skips the journey's subtle beauty and leaves you far from secluded villages. Trains offer a ground-level perspective, revealing the gradual transition from foothills to peaks. It's a sustainable, comfortable, and civilized way to travel, with spacious carriages and amenities. You arrive refreshed, ready to explore, not fatigued by the trip. Trains connect remote villages and towns, threading through landscapes otherwise hard to reach. More than transport, they foster emotional connections to the land, the history, and fellow travelers. Rail travel is a grand adventure, where the journey is as rewarding as the destination. Planning an Alpine rail adventure is simple with a little preparation. Consider a rail pass for value and convenience, and book scenic routes in advance for the best views. The Alps are stunning year-round. Spring's wildflowers, summer's long days, autumn's colours, and winter's snowy magic. Don't overlook local lines. They offer breathtaking scenery without crowds or high prices. Research which side of the train has the best views and allow for spontaneous stops. The true joy of rail travel is its unhurried pace, an invitation to slow down and notice the details. The rhythmic motion, changing scenery, and anticipation of discovery make the journey itself unforgettable. So which Alpine haven would you choose to wake up in? Lauterbrunnen, Mittenwald, or Aosta?